Hello Gladys, we are interviewing a few people to ask about the actuarial studies in ITAM. How did you find out about actuarial studies in ITAM?
I found out because I was looking about mathematical careers in Mexico. I knew that ITAM has the best ones. So when I was looking, I realized that actually deal directly with risk. And I love risk, I love the uncertainty. So I wanted to deal with it, work with it. So actually it was for me.
Okay, good. What are you planning to do after you leave ITAM?
I would like to work I would like to work for so research. Research. I would like to work for researching.
In health areas?
In health areas. Mainly because I think I'm good for talking to people and find out the factors that will affect the health of the people, the life expectancy. So I would like to work with it.
I understand you are going to Paris this summer.
Yes, I am so happy because I've never been in Europe. So I will learn a lot because there are different ways of living. I'm especially interested, weirdly, in diet. I would like to know about wine because wine is helping people to live longer. Also because I think that they eat salads a lot. I don't know why, because I want to really check that. And also, it's weird also because Paris people looks to be really like straight in their way of thinking and their way of living. Also because they are taller than us.
That they are. Well, good luck with your trip. Thank you.